Hey guys, welcome to Not Enough Creations. Today, we're going to be making a special little thing that you can give as a gift. Alright, see you in a second. Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a toothpick holder. Why? Because it's the holidays, and we all have that relative that does the, trying to get the food out of their teeth. Well, why don't you give them one of these so they always have a toothpick handy so that they can get that out without making that weird noise and face. So, I'm going to cut the blank and we're going to drill the hole, square it up, and turn it on the lathe, and I'll catch you here in just a second. Alright, let's roll the sleeves up. It's cold in the shop. It's December in Minnesota. Of course it's cold. Alright, I'll see you guys here in a second. Alright, so we're going to go with a, come on focus, cappuccino, blank, and it's kind of nice. This kit actually comes with chrome tubes, so if you do have a blank that is see-through, it is a little bit nicer of a tube, so that's a plus. And you can get two of these toothpick holders out of one blank, so bonus on that. Alright, let's cut it. So hopefully everybody had a good Thanksgiving that are in the United States, obviously, or that celebrate Thanksgiving. It's always a busy time of the year, so when you got those boring family occasions, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can watch the videos when you're bored. But anyway, we're gonna drill this bad boy out and get her all done up nicely. So let's get that. See you here in a second. I forgot to record drilling it out. Sorry guys. Alright guys, so we got a little bit of chip out on the end of the of that. I should have cut the blank a little longer. That was my fault. But good news is, flush, it barely fits. So as long as we put it in there flush to the other end, just enough to where we can square up the ends, we'll be good to go. Alright, let's do that real quick. beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like candy. Wow. Alright, let's get it off. Let's press this thing together. I went with a little bit more of a lower profile. I didn't want it too bubbly like I like my pens, so I brought it down. It's almost straight across. It has just the slightest little profile into it, but I just can't have it completely straight. That drives me nuts. So let's get this off. Let's press it together, and I'll see you at the bench here in a second. Alright guys, well, haven't had this happen in a long time. You see how I can move this and everything's all free? Except this bushing is somehow locked on here, which I haven't had that happen in a very, very long time. See? Still on there. Let me fix this, and then we'll press it together. Alright, well, I used my vice grips that are built to take apart pins, and it wasn't glued to this. Everything else is all free. It's got a burr right in there, so I should probably take a really take one of my old micro meshes. Alright, let's get that. Go on my old micro meshes and do it up. But blank's fine. Let's press it together. Alright guys, so this is a pretty straightforward kit. Obviously key ring. It's an O-ring that actually goes inside the cap here. I guess for waterproofness. And then the end cap. So let's get this out and this one out, and we'll unscrew this. There we go. Put that right there. Alright, ta-da! Well, obviously I don't have any toothpicks in the shop, but that's the finished product. It does make it a nice tight seal. I do like that. It makes it kind of hard to get off too. Maybe that's what they meant in the directions. They said put it in there, it looked like, in the when I looked at it, but whatever. That's it. Cappuccino, toothpick holder for that aunt, uncle, family member, whoever that seems to always need a toothpick but never has one. Get them this for Christmas, make it for them. If you don't know how to make, or you don't have a lathe, give me a shout out, and I will be selling these. So Yeah, got a whole bunch of different types of woods, so just let me know. Give me a shout out. Send me a message on Etsy or Facebook or YouTube here. And yeah, this is a great gift idea and or for yourself. So, all right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that thumb notification so you know when I upload new videos. And I will catch you guys next time. See ya.